This is the day which the Lord has made. Rejoice and be glad in it. Take time to live today. It is the only time in your hand. Live today. If you remain inactive now, hoarding up your energies for someday to come, you will learn to your regret. That day never seems to come. Today is born a brand new day. Today is here with all its hours. Yes, all the 24. Let's strive to use them better than the hours of day before. The dawn is bright. I'm full of hope. And when the sun has gone to rest, the little seeds will grow. If only I will care for the day that is today.